Okay, guys. Hi. This is it. This is the first day starting the game development process with Godot here. It's a beautiful, beautiful rainy. Did that just die? My camera just died. Oh my god. All right, let me get another battery. We're back. We're back. Okay. Jeez. All right, it's all uphill from here. All right. So I was messing around a little bit last night. So I don't even know how much time I have left. Hold on, let me check. 23 days, 2 hours, 28 minutes, and 50 seconds left. And this is day one for me. I've just been super busy with life. Quick recap. I pulled my hamstring doing some sprints last week. That was Thursday. Sunday, my car got hit. So that was really, really unfortunate. And right now I'm driving a rental. Monday, I had problems trying to sell a drum set online that's shipping to California. It was not my week. It was not my week at all. The drum set did get sold, but I just had a lot of issues with the shipping process, and it finally got shipped out Thursday. In between trying to work at the gym I work at and just having regular life going on. Finally got the video done for my announcement for doing this game jam. And now we are finally here working on it. And it's a Saturday. As I said, it's beautifully rainy outside. I love it. It's my favorite kind of season. Hoodie season, and we're gonna get started here. I was playing around last night because I just couldn't wait. I was too tired to really do much, but I wanted to start playing. I wanted to start learning and figuring some stuff out. I decided to go 3D with the game. This is gonna be my first 3D game as well. I'm pretty excited about that. We'll see what happens. I feel like with 3D, I can make very simple sprites and just figure it out. With 2D, I think I just realized there would be too much work to go into making assets and whatnot. So I was just playing kind of with like a level here, starting visually, starting with adding a light, just adding a camera, and that's about it. I have no scripts. I just have a few 3D objects. And honestly, it took me a bit to figure out how the heck to just get the floor in here. That was annoying. I went looking for like shape, or I was thinking I need some kind of 2D thing to put in here. What did I grab actually? I think I tried grabbing a polygon. I've had a lot of fun just poking around. I'm gonna try and just poke around as much as I can on my own before just going to tutorials or ChatGPT. Disclaimer: I will be using ChatGPT to help make my game. I'm gonna need it. I already know. I found ChatGPT to be very helpful for like explanatory things. So even though it does give me code, I can't just simply copy the code over. I still have to tie the loose ends and make connections and understand like what's happening. And ChatGPT so far has been just wonderful for explaining. It's like a tutor in my own room. But I haven't even really dived into that. I've just been poking around on the system. So I tried using like Polygon 2D. I think I would like come in here, I'd create it. We'd go to like a polygon. We'd go to a view here. I don't even remember, to be honest. What is that on my screen? Oh no. I probably just freaked people out because oh, yeah. Okay. This is how I figured it out. You have to actually draw the polygon. Can I hold? That sucks, you can't hold shift and it just like, what if I right click? Oh, wait. Oh, instantiate, move nodes, add, okay. But yeah, I was like, oh, so you have to click. Okay. Okay, we have our polygon. And then I came back to 3D and I was like, where is my polygon? Where is it? Why can I not see it? Only in this 2D view. I'm like, is it up here? Is it down there? Like what? So I just need this for the floor, and this is probably going to hurt a lot of you. I'm just telling you right now, this is probably going to hurt you watching me do this because there's so many things I don't know. I'm just curious as to why I can't actually see this in the world. Like where is it? Do I need to like add some kind of depth to this thing? Do 2D Does it not even display in 3D the 3D world? Is this more of like a UI element that I'd be seeing? Oh, actually, let's try that. Let's go in here. Let's actually play the game. Oh my goodness. It is. We just figured it out. Okay. We got it, guys. Okay. All right. So this is like a UI element. I see. I see. Can I? Oh, I deleted one. Hold on. Can we make this bigger? Yeah, let's make this bigger. Let's try it again. Oh, so it shows up on screen. Oh, okay. All right. All right. All right. Well, I'm glad we figured that out, but that's not, we don't need that. So when we come back into 3D here, I found this guy, this box. Also learning my shortcuts here. It is a CSG box. I had to look up a tutorial for someone making a game in Godot, and I just watched them. I looked at their nodes and I saw this in there, and they said they just used that for the floor. So I said, oh my gosh, here's my floor. There's so much I have to figure out, but I just wanted to like start playing around with some visuals. Anyway, to say all that stuff, I just wanted to start playing around with some visual things. Just kind of get a feel for what I'm thinking in my head and see how easy it is to start like spawning things into this world. My first goal was like, I'll just spawn boats with a keystroke. That's all I want to do. And start adding layers to the complexity. This is actually helpful seeing this all now here in this tree. I wonder if I can actually use like a flat. What if I could just use this? Let's get rid of this. I want to get there. So node visual instance. Oh, decal. Node that projects a texture onto a. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. Reflection probe. Visible on screen notifier. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. We got particles. Whoa, check it out. Oh, GPU based? Oh my gosh. CPU based? Okay. Label, mesh, soft body, a deformable 3D physics mesh. Oh wait, yeah, it was under here. Sprite based, interesting. I'm learning so much. 2D sprite node in 3D world. Oh, 2D sprite node in a 3D world. This might be exactly what I want. Because this is an actual 3D object. Yeah, let's try this. Let's hide this other stuff. So we have a sprite. Can I just make it like... Also, oh shoot, the one thing I'm not liking here is how to move my camera. Do I hold control in? Is it shift? Oh, it's shift. Okay. Change the camera's clipping. Oh, view setting. Wait, where's the settings? Wait, here. View settings. I guess I'm like hella close. I can't tell how close I am to anything. There we go. All right, shift. I've been trying to figure that out. Last night, I was like trying to move myself around because I like using middle mouse, and shift has helped me. Let's see. Do I need a texture? Okay, I don't think I have a texture because I would love to just have a 2D plane instead of an actual box with depth to it. If I can't figure it out, oh well, we'll move on. Anyway, maybe I'll figure that out later. I'm gonna put this mic down and we're gonna start doing some work here. And here we go. Let's do it. Yeah, here we go. Okay. All right, let's figure this out, shall we? Slow. We're gonna work slow, one problem at a time, and we're gonna figure it out. Okay? We're gonna figure it out. There's probably assets I should be using and whatnot, but honestly, I just want to start making stuff. I don't know where to start. Let's think about this. Let's just get stuff spawning in. Let's do that first. Okay? We're gonna say new scene. We're gonna say 3D scene. And then we're gonna say CSG box 3D. Okay, Control D, duplicate that. We are going to move it up. I'm making a boat right now. Isn't this beautiful? I know this is gonna be fantastic. This is an amazing boat. Now we're gonna make this sail. We have a boat. That's all I need. So in order to spawn on this object, create a new scene. Yeah, that will act as a container for your spawning logic. Interesting. This can be an empty scene or a simple node that doesn't display anything. Let's just make it a 3D scene. I don't know if I should or not. I'm just gonna make everything 3D in this game, and that might be bad for performance, but we'll figure that out when we get there. So we're gonna save this. And we're gonna say spawning logic. Let's add input. Whoa. Yeah, we don't have one of them. I just need to make a script, don't I? Select the input event key node. This already is not working. You know what? I don't want to do that. ChatGPT. I want to do it right on my Voidboi. So let's add a script. Let's add a script. Sure. Okay. I don't have input event key. I don't have that node though. Input. I'm going to delete this. Okay, so we are going to create a new extends 3D node. Extends input event key. Well, now I'm confused. What if we just went ahead with the code here? Oh, let me see. Main scene, I think we need to say game. Create an instance of your object and add it to the main scene. How do I, wait, hold on. This is my main scene. So identify main scene not declared in the current scope. Doesn't this have to specifically be? Remember when I said that ChatGPT was good at explaining things? And ChatGPT so far has been just wonderful for explaining. It's like a tutor. I cannot find this. All right, how do I get to the Godot documentation? How do I... Online docs, okay. Input event. Does this even exist? Is this a node? Is everything a node? What am I doing wrong? I don't understand. How is this node talked about but not exist? I am confused. All right. Let's try it again. In your spawning scene, add a node by clicking the... We don't have that. This does not exist. This does not exist. Select the input event key node and configure it to respond to the key you want to use for spawning. Okay. This does not work. There is no input event key node to be found. The input handling system has been changed, and you don't need to use, okay. Node for basic key input instead. Instead, you can use the input function directly on your game scene. This is what I was thinking. Create a new spawner scene. Create a new scene for the spawner object, which will handle the spawning of the objects. This scene should have a script that contains the logic for spawning objects. You'll need a handle input. You'll need to handle input from the player to trigger the object spawning. To do this, open the script for your spawner object and add an input event handler. You can use input function if yes is action press spawn object. Replace this with the actual path to. Okay. Your object scene. Bind the input action. Input map section. A new input action called spawn object. Or all right, let's go with the new answer. Spawner object. All right. This. We're going to get rid of this. We're going to paste the code here. Extends spatial. Unexpected extends in body class body. Oh. This extends can only be used once. Can we just get rid of extends 3D then? Huh? Extends 3D. Bro, what the f? Now I can't use extends 3D? Invalid? What are you talking about? Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna delete this script, close, discard, get rid of it, get rid of it. All right, well, I need to eat breakfast. It's 10:40. I really don't know where to go. I don't know where to start. See, here's what I don't like. Here's what I don't like. Oh, I guess I just have to double click this. Wait, my boat's gone. I deleted my boat? What? I thought I was just deleting the script. So if I click this, boom, .gd, that's the script. This should be my scene. Missing file? What? Like, are you for real? Are you kidding me right now? Bro, I don't know. I need to eat breakfast. Okay, so I've been away. Is this recording? Yeah, I've been away. I ate lunch. I had to take a break. Realized I have no idea what I'm doing, and had to sit here through. So far, how far have we gotten? We've gotten an hour through this totemic tutorial here. I'm just playing with this cannonball I made. So we made a cannonball. I may have a boat prefab I'm working on. I call it an asset. Maybe I should call it a prefab. But I included the cannonball with this. Right now it's just spawning into the world like this. But we have our first script. We have our first script, guys, here on the boat. Cannonball right here. The spawn logic. I don't know what to do with that yet. We're putting that on hold. Right now we're just getting things working, and honestly, I have to say, when I ran this and it worked, look, cannonball moves. The cannonball moves. I'm feeling, it was just such a feeling of, hey, like, this is awesome. And I threw it up to 20 just for fun. And it's like, that's actually, I kind of like that speed. I'm not going to lie. We'll compromise. We'll do like 16, but I'm having fun. We started having fun. We're still very, very early in the process of what I'm hoping I can build this thing out to be. And there's issues that I was tackling that I thought would be way easier to tackle on my, I don't even know if you can see that very well. I know it's like super dark. It's a cozy rainy day, so I'm vibing with it. My first goal was like, I'll just spawn boats with a keystroke. That's all I want to do. And I've been having so much trouble trying to figure out just how to spawn a boat in the world, and even where to put things. Where do I put things? Like what scene should I be working in? How many prefabs should I be making for each thing? But I'm liking the composition style so far. I'm definitely enjoying working with it once I start getting to know how to work with it. Yeah, so it's just a little update here. It is 3 o'clock already, and I have to go to play pickleball at 5 with some friends. So I'm gonna do some work before that, and then we'll see where we are later tonight. And hopefully I'll be able to post a video like every day or every 2 days, so that way you guys can help me out. And I can show you my progress. This is where we're at so far. Okay. All right, I'll see you in a bit. All right, so I want to be able to adjust this from here. Oh wait, no. Okay, I could have selected it. Hey, it shows up. Let's go. Let's go. This is so fun. Oh my God, I'm having fun. I hope you're having fun. We're making progress. This is great. This is great. So now we can be up here. Can we, does this go all the way to here? Or does this go, oh, I wonder if this can go all the way up to the top. Or I have to come into here. I have to actually click on the cannonball. Okay. I wonder if there's a way to export it all the way up to the top. Like if I could just click on the boat. Like click on this boat. And then there be properties that pass all the way up. That would be interesting. Because I wouldn't have to go so granularly down into here. But it keeps everything organized. All right. I keep making discoveries and we keep making growth. I'm gonna go. I keep stopping to record my reactions and I'm having too much fun. All right, I have to leave you guys. Goodbye. Goodbye. I'm turning you off now. Okay, so I have an idea. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I want to on Delta. Is this, no, this is based off self position dot x plus equals input. Self-process input enables or disables input processing that is not required for I want it so that on key press, oh, you know what, maybe we need to do that. Oh wait, hold on, it's like on, it's, I swear, key input, is it press, some kind of key press? Let's see, listening to player input. Okay, yes, this is actually exactly what I want to do here. Oh, it's an if statement. Duh. Okay. If. Why is it not filling for me? Why is it not filling? Why do I have no fill? Autofill. Oh. Duh. It wasn't. That was my mistake. I had is on there. I need glasses. I think it's this. Is action pressed? And then we can set UI left, UI right, key forward. Can we actually direction plus equals 2? Is direction a 3D thing or a 2D thing? Cannot pass value of type key as string name. Is action pressed? Where do we do that? Hold on. Settings. Oh, input map. Here we go. Add new action. Listening for input. Okay. Oh, hold on. This is the name. This is the name. Okay. I'm so dumb. Turn right. Okay, so now what we do, here we go. And now we're also going to add up on the, yes. Okay, so now I think what we do, we can close this and here we say, yes, look, move forward. Is that, okay, direction not declared. Oh, whoops. Do we know what direction we're talking about though? Does this break if I do anything? It breaks. Oh, because I don't understand. Oh, no. Stop. Okay. I did not do this correctly. Oh, I should be reading. I should be reading this, not just like flying through it. Yeah, vector 2. Okay. All right, let me read through this. I'll be back in a second. Okay, so just a quick update. I was playing around the 2D area. I got sidetracked at, I was coming in here to look at the 3D documentation. And this documentation is actually fantastic. While this tutorial from Totemic is fantastic and he explains in a great way, like in-depth things and more behind the reasons why you would do certain things and why you wouldn't put something here or there, which is great. And I still am going to plan on keeping up with these streams, which are new, by the way. He's going to do this every week, apparently. The documentation really gives you enough to just start working. Like they take you through everything. The table of contents is great. And I came in here to moving the player with code. Basically, as I read through and just wanted to get to a certain area, it talked about things that we had already set up. They had already set up in the previous area of contents. So I went back to this and then I saw setting up the game area and I said, you know what? Let me try to stop taking shortcuts and start from the top and do everything properly. And so this is where I came to learning that I can use this static with a collision shape. And I'm assuming I still might use a box just so it has texture, but we'll find out. I might just be putting a mesh on this, but we'll see. So I'm kind of reworking because I didn't really plan for the ground to have any kind of collision. Everything was just going to be floating. I don't really need the ground to have collision with the kind of game I'm trying to make. This still just might be the proper way to do it. So that's where we are now. We're working through the documentation and it's actually really empowering. Like I feel like I can just keep reading and understanding and doing this on my own without needing to really wade through hours of tutorial content, which I'm sure is still very informative, but that's the update. I'll get back to you. All right, so we're going to move the ground down so we can now see the floor grid. Select ground node and hold control, turn on grid snapping, and click the drag down the y-axis. Okay. Let's go! Let's go. There's our little boat boy. There's a little cannonball. Oh, I rotated the boat. We have our ground. Let's go. Exciting. What happens if I play now? Everything's still working? Oh, of course, yeah, I'm breaking the game because I'm doing stuff over here. We're going to delete this for now. Okay, let's go back. All right, we're going to keep rolling here. Move the ground down 1 meter in order to have a visible editor grid. A label in the bottom far left corner of the viewport tells you how much you're translating the node. Does it really? Can I hold shift? Can I hold, oh, just control. That's interesting. I don't know why we moved it below. Is this going to be for like clipping or something or walking? What are you doing? What is this for? Huh? Tell me your secrets. Ensure you move the ground node. Yes. Okay. Let's add directional light. I already did that. I moved it like way too far up here. I'd like to move this thing down. Oh, it's locked. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Wait, how do I unlock it? Oh, control shift L, not control L. Come here, you. So I should reset the position of this. Where's the transform position? And we're just gonna move you up like there. Okay. All right, movement. Let's go. We already got our little prefab boy. In the next 2 sessions, we will be designing player movement. Okay, character body. Do I need to do this though? Where's character body? Huh? Oh, collision object 3D. Physics body. Rigid body. A 3D physics body that is moved by a physics simulation. Oh yeah, we're gonna need to do that with the ball. Physics body used to make bones. Fun. Physics body specialized for characters. Moved by script. That sounds great. What's this? Static body 3D. A 3D physics body that can't be moved by external forces. When moved manually, it doesn't affect other bodies in its path. Cool, so probably like particles or things like that. Okay, let's do character. Let's change this. What's not happy now? What did I do? Oh. Extends node 3D. Yeah, we might be getting rid of this, we'll see. So what happened here? This node has no shape. Can't collide or interact with other objects. Oh, collision shape. Oh, okay, all right, I'm seeing a repeat thing here. Okay, yes. Character bodies are complementary to the idea of rigid bodies. Used in a 2D game like tutorial, like rigid bodies, they can move and collide with the environment, but instead of being controlled by the physics engine, you dictate their movement. You will see how we use the node's unique features when we code the jump and squash mechanics. This still might be turning into a rigid body because I don't think I'll be having people control the ships directly. So let's rename this maybe player. Well, you know, we'll figure it out. We will figure it out. So I'm gonna need a collision shape again, probably. Physics types. I'm gonna save that for later. Instead, you apply forces to it, gravity, impulses, etc. Oh, I see. So the cannonball is gonna be rigid. This will probably be a character body because we will want this to be scripted to go to other ships via script. That provides collision detection, but no physics. Okay. Static body. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's go back over here. All right. Add node. So we have technically that, and name it pivot. Let's just add node 3D here. Call this pivot. I might change this later depending on what we're doing here. Make this character. Whoa. Hello. And my character is basically a prefab. Basically. Can we rename this? Will that break anything? Rename. Hey. Is that because I'm in it? F2. Alright, renaming is not working. Oh, whoa. Alright, F2 worked. Player. Couldn't save scene, likely depending. Okay. Wait. Alright, just as long as it's not gone. I don't want to lose any progress here. Spawn logic. Forget you for now. I can't deal with you. Alright, at least that still works. Like we're still okay. Like we're alright. We're not exploding anything. Just yet, at least. I designed the model in Blender. Well, I'm doing it right in here. Just for time's sake. Maybe I will get Blender later, but right now I just want to have something. We need a collision shape for our character to collide with the environment. Oh, so here we go. What if we did this? I'm gonna change this type to the collision shape. Yeah, now we're gonna do the same thing. All right, so we need a mesh. Can we change these? Yo, can we do this like big time? Can we change all three? Oh my God. This would be fantastic if we could just change these right now. Shit. Okay. It changed them all, which is cool. They need to be renamed though. Oh, we actually need the shape. Damn it. Shit. Actually, that's fine. Okay, we gotta rebuild here. It's okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. Although I don't know why everything is so high off the ground now. This is where it's gonna pivot from. Okay, I can see how we're building this now. It's starting to make sense. Things are starting to slowly make sense. This documentation is a godsend. So we added the character has a collision box shape. I don't know why this is up so high. Let me delete these. Box mesh, there we go. Let's see what the character's up here. Hold on. Oh, the center. Oh, I see what's happening. Oh, shit. That's right. The cannonball is like, we'll find out. You know what? Let's delete this. We don't need it. Goodbye. Oh well. Even though I was making progress with that, yeah, we'll keep it. We'll keep it until we realize we don't need it. Maybe. I just don't want to be messing up the character development here. All right. Let me just double check this. So it's wireframe below the character. That's just a collision shape. Oh, the collision shape actually needs to be on the player, not the character is different. Getting ahead of myself. Okay, hold on. I think I know what's happening here. This just needs to be just a node 3D. This needs a collision shape. Okay. All right. Character, node 3D, mesh. Still not sure if I'm doing this properly, but this is just a mesh. This is just a Gilgamesh. Okay, then we have our collision shape, which will also need a mesh, I believe. Oh no, we go here, on the shape. And I want box shape. And then transform, no. And then on the actual shape. We go like this. I want to put it like, ta-da! Okay, all right, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. We're building it properly from the ground up. I did not waste my entire day. The model as a child of pivot. Well, the model is what I'm making. Okay, we're making the model. This is gonna have to be rebuilt. I already know that. And this is for the player. Just the collision shape for the player. So let's duplicate this. Let's do our business here. Whoa. I need a different mesh. If I duplicate it, why is that linked? So if I duplicate this, is this connected somehow? So we say new box mesh, move it up. Let's go to turn this off. Just turn that crap off. I'm gonna snap. Why does that not snap to the grid? How come when I do control, it doesn't? Oh, it's snapping to this? What if I take this away? Does it still snap to that even though I can't see it? Okay, get rid of this. What? How come it's not snapping to the ground anymore? I'm holding control. Okay, you're just being a pain in my ass now. Delete this. Delete. Now snap to the grid. Oh, you son of a bitch. I don't know why it's doing this. Ultimately, I don't care because I'm gonna do this to you. I want to make you like that. Okay. Okay. All right. And now we're gonna do this. That'd be really cool if you could like link these. Getting a call. Oh my goodness. All right, we're back, and we are prefabbing like a boss here. Let's get these sails out there. Raise this up. Look at this. Look at this. Move it this way a little bit. This is a boat. This is a boat. Sure. Okay. We're kind of back to... This ship looks so messed up. Let me make the sails a little wider. Maybe that's my problem. Oh, shit. Z. I can never remember. Okay, see, this is blue. That's purple. It's throwing me off. It's throwing me off. It's not my fault. It's not my fault, guys. Okay, fine. You know what? It's good enough. Good enough for me. That's a boat. All right, collision shape. We're gonna make it like legit. Like you gotta hit the boat. All right, you gotta hit it. All right, back to where we were. Oh, it's 4 o'clock. Oh man. Oh, I have to stop. I don't want to stop. I feel like I'm just getting into it. Oh my gosh. All right, gotta get up. Gotta move. Gotta go do stuff. Gotta get out in the real world. All right. Okay, so we finally just made our little boat. Oh, he's looking good. He's looking spiffy. We have much more to do still, but until next time, I will probably be very, very tired later on tonight, and this will be the progress I'll have made for day 1. Let's see. Let's do a recap. We have a new ground floor. We completely redid that. We still have our camera, we have our directional light. Just learning how to make the ground, so that's cool. I'm gonna group that so I don't ever mess anything up. We have our little boat. It might be too small, but we will find out. It's been remade. Cannonball is still here. We're gonna have to redo that. We're going somewhere. We're going somewhere. Wait, can I change the color on this real quick? Like easily? Can I? Mesh? Can I just do that? Is that easy? Resource. Surface material override. Ooh. All right, looks like we could. Oh, material. New shader material. Oh, shader. Oh, I don't have a shader. I don't have a shader ready. So we're gonna say just this is gray. Click this. Albedo color, vertex color, shading. All right, and then we're gonna do this. We're gonna make it this color. Color of the sea. Beautiful. Wow, recent colors, that's dope. Okay, so boom. Check that out, let's play it. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is fantastic. We have a little boat. We have a little boat in the sea. All right, I've been coding. Coding. I've been doing this long enough. I gotta get up. I gotta stop. All right, so that was day 1. I guess I'll just be editing this and uploading it tonight or tomorrow morning. We'll see. This is probably going to take me way longer than I want to edit. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. If you have any advice on what you see me doing wrong, let me know, because I need to have a game at the end of this ship jam. And I want it to actually work. Yeah, so thanks for watching. The next video will be right here on screen whenever that's up and ready. And I'll have a playlist covering this entire journey. And after this month, I'm excited to see where we could be. Loving Godot so far. It's simple, it's fun, and there's lots to learn. All right, thanks guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.